In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin, BTC/USD, in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to open the BTC/USD chart. Connect either a live brokerage or a paper trading account and place a trade with clear risk controls. Start by opening the TradingView website in the search box at the top. Type BTC/USD and select the Bitcoin to US dollar pair to load the chart. Give the chart a moment to populate. You can keep the default time frame for now. The key is simply seeing live price action so you know where the market is before you trade. Next, look to the bottom of the chart and click the Trading Panel tab. This is where TradingView lists supported, integrated brokers and its built-in paper trading option. It's your control center for connecting an account and sending orders directly from the chart. If you want to trade live, choose a supported broker, such as Blackboard Markets or Binance. And follow the prompt to sign in with your broker credentials. Make sure your broker account is approved and funded, and confirm the connection when TradingView shows you are linked. If you are practicing, select Paper Trading by TradingView and click Connect. Paper trading uses virtual funds, which is perfect for learning the interface and testing ideas without financial risk. Once connected, you are ready to stage a trade. Click the Trade button at the top right of the chart. Or simply right-click on the chart and open the Order panel. This panel lets you control everything about the order without leaving the chart. Now set your order details. Choose Buy if you want to go long, or Sell if you want to go short. Pick an order type. Market orders fill immediately at the best available price, which is fast but can slip in volatile moves. Limit orders let you specify an exact price. They'll only fill at that price or better. Enter the quantity of Bitcoin you want to trade, such as 0.01 BTC, and consider starting small while you are learning. Add an optional stop loss to cap your downside if price moves against you, and a take profit to automatically secure gains. You can set these by price levels or by a percentage, and you'll see them plotted on the chart for clarity. Before sending, review the side, size, price, and any fees or protections you've added. When everything looks right, click the Buy or Sell button to confirm. After execution, your position and orders appear on the chart and in the panel, where you can adjust or close them as needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.